Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel 1 2 Step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly in PowerPoint. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to go to any browser you want. Here I'm going to Chrome browser and search for grammarly.com. So this is the platform that comes in front of you when you open grammarly.com. So in here, you can see new and upload. Just click on this. And now you need to open your PowerPoint. And here you can see this PowerPoint. Just copy this and paste it in the website of Grammarly here. And Grammarly will just suggest you new words and spelling and just correct your paragraphs. So in this way you can just add Grammarly in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.